If you manage multiple policy types in Fireblocks, this update is going to save you a lot of time. Previously, if you made changes across multiple policy types, say your transfer policy and your type message policy, you had to publish each one separately. That meant separate published actions, separate approval requests, and a lot of back and forth just to roll out a coordinated update. For teams with strict governance requirements, this added friction with every multi-type policy change. That's no longer the case. You can now bundle changes across multiple policy types into a single publish request. Select the policies you've updated, send them together, and your approver receives one consolidated request covering the entire bundle. Let's see it in action. Here, I've just finished editing my transfer policy and I'm ready to publish. When I hit the Publish button, I can immediately see that 2 additional drafts are available for publishing. Clicking the Drafts button shows me which policy types are ready. I'll select the Type Message policy to bundle it with the transfer policy. Now I can see both policies are staged for publishing. A single click sends them together in one request. On the approver side, they can review changes for both policies in sequence. First the transfer policy, then the type message policy. They approve in the console, confirm on mobile, and both policies go live together in a single action. No more staggered publishes. No more risk of policies being temporarily out of sync. For security and operation teams, this means coordinated policy changes are now atomic. They either all go through together or none of them do. That's a meaningful improvement for compliance, for auditability, and for anyone managing complex rule sets that span multiple policy types. Multi-type policy publish is now available in your workspace. Check the description for links to the full policy overview series. See you in the next one.